Wuhan Kingdrilling Diamond Co., Ltd. is one of the most professional manufacturer in DTH tools for water well drilling, geothermal drilling, mining drilling, bore-hole drilling and so on. The main products include casing drilling system, DTH hammer, DTH drill bits, button bits, thread bits, taper bits, chisel bits, tricone bit, cross bits, road milling tools, coal picks, drill pipes etc. Customization is also acceptable to meet your requirements. Thank you for watching and supporting Kingdrilling.